This is today's Ford F-Series, the truck that turned from a workhorse into America's all-purpose machine. By the 2020s, the F-150 had stopped being just a tool. It became a status symbol, a mobile office, and even an emergency power source. Ford saw the shift coming. Farmers and contractors still needed toughness, but suburban families wanted comfort, and city buyers wanted technology. So the F-Series added hybrid engines, luxury interiors, and digital dashboards, without losing the backbone that made it famous. The hybrid powertrain wasn't just about fuel savings, it added torque for towing and enough efficiency to ease the pain at the pump. Then came Pro Power Onboard, an innovation that let drivers run drills at job sites, plug in appliances at campsites, or even keep their homes lit during power outages. Suddenly, a truck wasn't only transportation, it was infrastructure on wheels. Inside, the cabin turned into something closer to a luxury lounge. Leather seats with heating and cooling, panoramic glass roofs, and touchscreens the size of laptops. For drivers who grew up on bench seats and manual windows, it was almost unrecognizable. But for new buyers, it was exactly what made the F-150 more than a machine. Technology kept stacking up. Cameras on every angle, sensors that could back a trailer without human hands, and Ford's Blue Cruise system that allowed genuine hands-free driving. A truck that once clawed through muddy fields could now steer itself on the highway. That leap stunned critics and attracted a whole new class of owners. Sales proved the gamble was right. Even during global supply shortages, the F-Series stayed on top. It wasn't just about strength anymore. It was about being the one vehicle that could handle work, family, and leisure without compromise. For collectors of tomorrow, these 2020s models will mark the turning point. Trucks became versatile enough to serve contractors in the morning, executives in the afternoon, and families on the weekend. The F-150 blurred the line between tool and lifestyle, and in doing so, it secured its dominance in a rapidly changing market. And this chapter is only half the story, because the next one is electric. The F-150 Lightning is already showing how Ford plans to carry this legacy into a new era. If you're following this evolution from rugged farm fields to digital dashboards, make sure to subscribe. The electric future is coming fast.